forgive my appearance. I have not recorded a video in a long time, but by the time I start recording again, my appearance will probably look pretty different because I am going to get my hair cut this weekend, and I will probably elaborate more on that. But I have a lot of damage in my crown area. Like, I have breakage rather in my crown area, and I keep getting single straight knots, buried knots. It's hard to maintain. My hair gets super dry way quicker than it was. And so I am just going to get everything cut off and just kind of start all over. I've done this before. I've done this when I've had relaxed hair. I did that with my curl cut, and I just cannot handle it anymore because I have trimmed my hair myself twice now. But as you can see, there is still some damage. I'll be getting my hair cleansed, blown out, and flat ironed just so that whatever breakage, whatever damage is visible will just go away permanently, because I am ready to kind of start a new chapter with my hair in a sense of just, I don't know, but let me see if I can get you guys to see what I'm talking about a little bit more. So as you can see, I have some breakage, especially in the crown area and the top of my hair, and then it's longer on the bottom, and the bottom isn't experiencing as much breakage as the crown, but the crown is significantly going through it. So I'm gonna get it cut, just have everything clean and healthy. I just wanted to do this video as a bit of a heads up, an update to let you know how my hair is going, how my hair journey is going, because I have documented that on my channel, and just to kind of showcase the beginning of what I hope is to be trying out some fun new hairstyles, and just, I don't know, just relearning how to properly maintain my hair, because I feel like the breakage is probably a lot of it self-inflicted, and I wasn't able to go back to the hairstylist I was seeing, and I also moved, so I was already thinking about stopping the curl cuts because I wanted to kind of like grow out my hair and have it be all the way even. I realized that I'm not necessarily against curl cuts, but I really think as far as my hair goes, my hair is pretty fine, and it has like a decent amount of density. I'm not really sure, like maybe medium, but I really do feel like my hair thrives better when it gets straight cut. So haircuts on straight hair, and then if I want to, I would just get a curl cut on top of the straight cut just to create a shape or maintain a shape or just create more body in my hair. So I think for me personally, it would be more effective and the best thing for my hair to get my hair cut on either blown out or straight hair. So that's kind of the direction that I'm going in, and we will see. Hi, I'm Teryn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Teryn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel if you've been here before, and welcome if you're new. On this channel, I talk about things related to fashion, beauty, and life. If that sounds interesting to you, please be sure to like this video and subscribe. As you can see, my hair is straight. This is my first time having straight hair in almost 4 years, and it's my first time having my hair professionally trimmed or cut on straight hair for the first time in almost 4 years as well. And I had a lot of breakage, just like I suspected. I will put in some pictures so you can see how long it was and where all the damage and breakage was, and then how much I got cut. I actually wanted it to be cut even shorter. I was honestly thinking it would be like at my chin, because I was going in there thinking like, I just want all this damage gone, like however much it can be cut, and then maybe into like a bob. I was like, maybe even a pixie cut, but I was like, that's a little bit much so soon. But I'm obviously not used to having straight hair because it's like always touching me. So the hairstylist was a little bit hesitant to cut. I think because a lot of people are nervous about getting their hair cut because they want to hold on to length. But since I'm someone who does their own hair pretty much all of the time, I'm the one dealing with like the detangling and trying to get the brush through it, and the fairy knots and the single stranded knots and everything else, and I just cannot handle it anymore. It's just annoying, and I see the breakage, I see the knots, and I'm like, I cannot deal with this anymore. So she was a little bit hesitant, I guess, because, you know, some people are really caught up on length, which I get it if you're used to it, or whatever you feel emotionally or physically is tied to the length of your hair. But hair grows back, and it grows back better if you get rid of all that damage, of course. But I will be making sure that I get my hair trimmed every 6 weeks until all the damage is gone, and then I can potentially go longer with getting trims as long as I'm maintaining the health of my hair. I think getting regular trims is something that has caused me to have breakage in my hair even previously. I've had breakage when I've had relaxed hair. I've had to get my hair cut short into bobs. Always love them because I love something new. But this is just something that I just feel like had to be done. It was insane trying to detangle my hair every week, sometimes twice a week. And I was like, there's a lot of hair being shed, and I'm like, that can't really be possible. It's just like the breakage. I'm happy with the outcome. I do wish it was a little bit shorter, but I love this length. I love this length of hair, and it will get even shorter. I don't know if I'm gonna trim it myself, but it will be getting trimmed. Like, I don't care, little by little until all the damage is gone, because I do want to grow out my hair, but I cannot do it until all of the damage is gone. And I'm looking forward to trying to figure out how I can mitigate the breakage, because what she said was that the hair on my sides was healthy, and I definitely see that. The hair on my sides tends to be healthier. I would even say like some of the hair on like the bottom row, like that bottom section of my hair is probably healthiest, but like the breakage was all down like the crown, like the middle of my hair. And I don't know if some of that is probably from my like detangling. I honestly think what the issue is I'm not against curl cuts, but I definitely think I had too much damage going into the curl cuts. So once I had the different layers, there were probably areas of my hair that was like broken off, damaged, whatever. And so like instead of kind of going through and getting that cut just before the curl cut, it was like growing with me and like being taken with me. And so once I had all that depth to my hair, it just kind of made it worse. Clearly with like an active gym schedule, I go to Pilates twice a week and I go on walks daily, or I walk daily, I cannot maintain straight hair that well. So I am gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna style my hair. I am gonna be avoiding wash and goes. Twist outs and braid outs don't last this long for me because my hair is fine. So I'm thinking I might do like roller sets. I don't know if I can wrap my hair, but I will probably do roller sets, maybe perm rods, maybe not flexi rods, but something where my hair is just stretched, like maybe blowouts and then twisting them. I'm not sure, but I just know for right now I cannot do wash and goes because I have too much breakage. And I honestly want to grow out my hair and prevent as much breakage as possible. So like I said previously, I think the best method for me if I wanted to go back to curl cuts or get them again, it would be to get my hair cut in a straightened state, get rid of all the damage, get rid of all the breakage. And then if I'm like, okay, well, I want shape to my hair, then I would go do the curl cut. That I think is the best method for me. I know everyone is different, but I just honestly do not think curl cuts at this point are just like, I don't think it's gonna be that great for my hair. I'm really excited. I'm very happy with this haircut. I can't wait to show you guys how I decide to style my hair. I'm still gonna be using a lot of the same products, but yeah, it just had to go. Like when I tell you guys, like my hair would look great, like I could style it and would look great, but like I would look down and I would see like knots in my hair. Like one of the biggest telltale signs for me was the fact that my hair would get so dry and brittle so quick. So I would like go through the same like wash and go, do like a twist out, and then all of a sudden my hair is like dry to the touch, like hard to separate, kind of like lifeless, like no bounce to it at all. And I was just like, okay, like something has to be done. And I was like trimming my hair myself. I would be sitting and like I would see a knot and just trim it myself or like pull it, and I was just like, I can't do this because this is gonna make my hair worse. So I was just so happy. I went to the beauty school, affordable. I just wanted something very simple. And so that's why I went to them, and I knew that I needed to get it done like ASAP and that I couldn't wait to look for a hairstylist and then try to get an appointment with them, especially we're getting closer to the holidays. And I also didn't want the possibility of someone canceling on me. So I was like, okay, if I go to the beauty school, I know someone's gonna be there. They have like already licensed like professionals, instructors that are there to like help them if need be. And I haven't been to one in a while to get my hair done, but she did a great job. She did amazing. Super appreciative of her. I feel like she's gonna have like really great, what's it called? it's a bedside manner, but like the fact that she was like, okay, this is where I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna take a picture and show you. And she was like, this is where I'm gonna cut. And I was just like, honestly, like, I just want whatever the breakage is gone. Like I went in, I was like, I'm gonna get a shampoo, blow dry, straighten, and then like the main thing was like to get my hair cut, like a trimmer cut. But I was like, she was like, oh, like a trimmer. I was like, probably a cut. But yeah, I got a lot of hair cut off. I have no idea how long it is, and I'm like not really considering that like true lift because it was broken. A lot of it was broken. My hair does grow pretty fast, but I feel like as much as I've been like dedicating, you know, at least like once a week to taking care of it, it should not have looked that bad. But a lot of that could be me. I'm gonna be trying out a new detangling brush. I've tried out like different parting methods, so I'll show you guys how I do that. But I honestly think the issue was like breakage, because when I first got the curl cut, what was that, 2021? That meant that it was almost 2 years since I got my last haircut, and that was like around COVID. So that was the last time I got my hair done professionally, and it was pretty like healthy. She probably trimmed off a good amount, but it was pretty healthy. I think this is just showing me like different strokes for different folks. Please let me know what your thoughts on like curl cuts versus straight cuts. I'm not against one or the other. I just like to alter things based on what's going on in my life and what makes the most sense for me, and I hope everyone else does that as well, because I also don't want to seem like I'm bashing curl cuts at all, but I do think I had a lot of breakage probably going into the curl cut that I should have taken care of prior to getting it, and I think that would have been the best fit for me. Like at one point I had to detangle my hair prior to washing it because it got that bad, and I've never really had to do that ever since I started washing my hair once a week. But it's like, it seemed like I would need to I didn't have a choice. I would need to wash my hair twice a week because it would get so dry and brittle, and it would just get so like borderline matted. Like it would feel like it was getting close to getting matted and just super tangled. So I knew I had an issue with breakage, and I just know that I'm the type of person like, please cut it off. Like I can't handle this. I do my hair myself. No. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.